Assalamualaikum and a very good afternoon. I would like to wish to my FYP coordinator and my beloved lecturer and my beloved supervisor. Today, my name is Kamaru Uzair bin Sebera. I would like to present my research project 1, which is factor of affecting mechanism biofilm formation on a ceramic surface. First, I would like to introduce my research background. Biofilm is the term used to describe immobile community of organisms attached to a substratum or to each other, embedded in a matrix of extracellular polymeric substances and showing an altered phenotype in comparison with that of their parenchyma of free cell. Next, biofilms are the prevailing lifestyle of bacteria in most natural environment. They consist of microbial communities to accumulate at solid liquid interfaces and are entrapped in a matrix of highly hydrated extracellular polymeric substances. Most studies attempting to mitigate the effects of biofilms already present on solid surfaces. However, such as strategy limited efficiency owing to bacterial persistent and resistant in pre-form of biofilm. Surface modification is emerging promising strategy to prevent biofilm on abiotic surfaces. Next, ceramic membrane is one of the microfiltration that been used to treating oily wastewater, and membrane separation technology is an attractive method for oily wastewater treatment. Membrane fouling is a main problem great challenge of membrane performance and increase the operation cost. So what is my purpose objective on this title? First is to study the characteristic of biofilm formation on ceramic surface, and next is to determine factor affecting formation of biofilm on ceramic surface. What is my scope of research? This research is focusing on the characteristic of biofilm formation on ceramic surface produced by PSNR 22 by using AFM and contact angle. Next is to attach the bacteria on the ceramic membrane. Next is to use membrane separation method, but we can't avoid fouling. To avoid it, we should create anti-fouling membranes. The study will be conducted in order to study the effect of membrane charge, roughness and hydrophobicity on bacteria attachment. Hence, to increase the efficiency, PSNR 22 should be obtained from the place that has a lot of bacterial cells. Next, I will explain about my literature review. The first point is occurrence of biofilm formation in life. Biofilms are the prevailing lifestyle bacteria in most natural environment. They consist of microbial community that usually accumulate at solid liquid interfaces and are entrapped in a matrix of highly hydrated extracellular polymeric substances. This research is from the Fleming AC 2010. Most study attempting to mitigate the effect of biofilm formation on intervention aim to kill microbial cells in biofilms are already present on solid surfaces. And this study was researched by Cologdin Gale colleague Gail Romero. However, such strategies have limited efficiency owing bacterial persistent and resistant in performed biofilms. Next is factor bacteria on the attachment. Bacterial attachment can be classified in three groups, which is hydrophobicity, surface charges, and roughness. The first one is hydrophobicity. Cell surface hydrophobicity plays a crucial role in the attachment or detachment from the surface. The influence on addition of microorganisms to biotic and abiotic surfaces in medicine. Next is the surface charges. The cellular surface charge of a bacterial cell is the overall net charge carried by the cell. Due to an excess of carboxyl and sulfate groups located in the cell wall of bacterial cell. Lastly, roughness. Membrane surface roughness is an important parameter affecting RO membrane folding. A rougher surface is subject to more membrane folding due to decreased shear force over the surface and the increased membrane non-homogeneity. Next is, what is membrane separation technology? Membrane separation technology separates material via plate or any type of membrane that contain pores in molecular of its roughness. The selective material could be separated by passing through the pores of the membrane. Membrane separation technology is a technology that is currently growing rapidly due to need for high quality water effluent requirement to be discharged.